Alright, so I have an idea. In a previous video I made this cube where I fused two Rubik's cubes together. If you haven't watched it, it's up there. Go watch it, it's a really good video. I really like the way it turned out. But my idea was if I could fuse two cubes together, what if I did four? But then I had to think about it and it wouldn't really work because all the cubes in the middle wouldn't be able to turn. So if I put another cube here, then this cube wouldn't turn at all. So it would kind of just be the exact same puzzle with unmovable pieces in the middle. So then I had the idea, what if I just took a corner out of one cube and just shoved another cube in there? Then I would have two moving layers on both cubes. And if I put two more cubes on, then the middle cube should work, right? No, because I'm gluing these together. And it's essentially exactly the same puzzle as this, except it's just going to be longer. So all the cubes in the middle still won't work, and it'll just be two outer cube. That will only have outer layer moves working because these pieces are stuck to this cube. So that doesn't work. So then I thought, what if I took two corner pieces, cut them right down the middle, and stuck them together? Then I would have a corner piece that could fit in two cubes at the same time. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, so now I've just got these really weird, interesting pieces. But I think what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take away all the melted plastic, just to clean it up a bit. Alright, here's the most important part, it's the gluing. I don't know what orientation these should be in. Alright, so this is what I'm hoping my end result will be. I just kind of glue those together, and then they're both fully functional in theory. Yeah, okay, this could definitely work. Alright, so I think that worked pretty well apart from this gap here, but that shouldn't be too bad. Alright, there's 3 of them done. I'll leave them sitting for like 2 hours and I'll be back. Alright, time for the moment of truth. 4 cubes, 3 custom made pieces. Let's see this one. Does it? It looks good. This might work. That looks promising. That looks really interesting. And it's still a fully functional. I mean, that piece gets in the way. If I take this edge out and stick this corner in, it should, oh my god, it works. Oh, that's so weird. glued together. I can do turns without even turning the cube. Oh my gosh, it's so weird to assemble because it's so heavy. Look at this! What have they made? Look at this just centipede of cubes. And they're all fully functional 3x3s. They all solve exactly the same way as a 3x3. And it doesn't feel like it's gonna break. Okay, I need to scramble it. This is... What have they done? I kind of want to expand more on this. I'll buy like 10 of them. There you go. Look at that. That is so weird to wrap my head around. It's so long.